What's up, guys? It's Shmengar, and I have birds. You have been wanting the birds. I brought birds. I was going to save them for last, and at first I thought that meant last of three, and then three more packs came out. So I was gonna save them for last, but whatever. I'm doing birds. Uh, I'm not expecting too much. It's a pretty big week as far as energy goes, but I'm making do with what I got, and I wanted to include a bird in flight because it does have more than 50 base power, so it'll get hit by a dark web, and most things in this deck get hit by dark web minus Greater Bird of Paradise, or Bird of Paradise. It's just two, and then there's dark web 3. So it's gonna hit 15 cards. uh, Most of these birds really don't do too much. If you're losing, this one gets 35 power. Life on land cards cost 3 less until played in hand. This pings enemy cards in hand for 6 for the turn. This just reduces cost by 2 permanently. I think most people know Dracula Parrot. It increases its own power by 60 permanently, but adjacent cards lose 30 for the turn, so ideally you want to play in a left or right slot. Cockatiel. The new cards came out today. Return if you want to turn your life on land cards wherever they are. Gain 12 power for 3 turns. That's not so bad. So, 12, 24, 36 times 3, ideally. So, that's like, what, 108 or something? I don't know. So, that's quite a lot if you win the turn. Especially since we only have 5 non-life cards, so it'll definitely put out quite a bit if we can get it to activate. Then Rainbow Bee Eater, another new card. I think, yeah, this came in the power pack. For every album in your deck, your birds get 4 until played, so for this it would be only 3, because we have Life on Land, Science, and Paleo. But you can go crazy, do a rainbow deck. There's all kinds of bird buffers from different albums. And make it 24, include Heimdall and whatnot. It's pretty cool. Finch, a new basic. They brought out a lot of birds lately. It's just a 5 for 85. You just don't want to lose a turn, because then it'll be like a 6 for 60. You don't want that. But at least it's not permanent. It's just until played. So if you win the next turn as if 6 for 60, it just goes back to a 5 for 85. Philippine Eagle. This doesn't activate because we don't have Cool Cat, so who cares? On the draw, if you're losing, your life cards get 15 for the turn, and it's a big bird. Bird of Paradise, just to activate Greater Birds of Paradise. Diamond Dove, your birds get 14 for the round. This gives your birds 10 permanently, and if you've played Bird of Paradise, your birds in hand gain 22 permanently. So that's pretty good. I chose this over. I don't know. This is like a different bird. It gives your birds in hand 25 for the turn, and then on the return, your birds lose 5 for the rest of the round. So, yeah, I chose that because I didn't know what to do for a last card. So I was like, screw it, I'm gonna just put in Paradise and then replace this for Greater Bird of Paradise. Hello, Orange Cat. It's pretty convenient cycling right here. They are also running birds. Yes. I don't think I went through the science cards. Vermilion Cliffs, gives your birds 25 until played. And a bird in flight, of course, if you have 12 or more birds, 12 random birds get 13 power permanently. And this, you need 4 science cards.
and your bird's in espionage, so, you know, birds get 24 until played. That's convenient. That's convenient. And we want to keep cycling that back. Oh, Griffin. We'll wait to play Dark Web. We want to do this. And hope we win the turn. It's about 400. Yeah, it's not looking good. That's painful. Ah, no. No. So close. So close. Alright, we can still do this, I think. I don't want to do that. I'll do this. I want to get those birds back in the first, well, not the first round. We want to cycle those birds back with the other birds into round 3. Bang. These are some good birds. Dang. Alright, there you go. Has he played Dark Web? He hasn't played Dark Web. I don't think he's running a Dark Web variant. So we should just win by default, right? Late game? Unless we screw up really badly. Like here, if he just overpowers us with 3 birds, we shouldn't have locked in. That's 480. Oh, it's not that bad. We should be fine. 468? Yeah. Alright, cycle this back. Cycle that back, so we want to get rid of that garbage. And play this as the first card. Going into round 5. So when you go into round 5, you can just buff all of your birds immediately. Like I'm doing here in round 3. I mean, that was a Griffin turn, and we aren't too far behind. We threw out a pretty big bird. I think we'll probably still win this round. Well, I don't know. I shouldn't say probably. Ideally, we'll still win. I think we will. That's a lot of damage. These are some big birds. Thanks, buddy. You have a great deck, too. I should have said, normally when I'm going in a mirror match, I say great deck. I don't know. I spaced out, I suppose. I wasn't thinking about it. I don't feel bad. There you go. I respect the Great Emu War. I love that card. I used to, when birds were, you know, not viable in the slightest, I made them viable. I don't think I was in Death Incarnate when I did that, but I made them viable at one point. I was running Great Emu War and Griffin, and I think this was before Dracula period time. We want to get these out of hand, right? So I'm just gonna throw these away. Yeah, we throw away the science cards. We really don't need the... What is this? The Kookaburra. We really don't need that. We can throw that away. Yeah, we're about to throw out some trash cards. It's pretty bad. 10 power though. Life on land arena bonus. Can't take that for granted. I've lost by 1 point too many times. Alrighty. Oof. Big bird damage. I think we're about to activate the cockatiel though. That's a big bird. Oh my god. I don't think Great Egret is going to activate this round. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, this is pretty bad damage round 1 and 2. The deck's really got to ramp up. Round 3 damage isn't so bad. You see what round 5 does. But, yeah, I really don't know if this could keep up with the meta stuff going on right now. I really don't think it can. I mean, sure, if you can make it to round 5, maybe. And you use a bird as a battery or something that you just hold the whole game. That'd be kind of awkward to do when you were cycling. I think that would feel kind of weird. Oh, well, we don't get to see what the round 5 damage is. That's fine. Hope you enjoyed. We got the birds. Next, I don't know. I know I'm uploading superstructures right now. This is definitely the next one. I might have a video in between. I can't remember what I was going to do next. I think I was going to take a break from the power packs and do a new card. Yeah, the Paleo pack came out recently with the Dinosaur Eater. Yeah, I really like that card. I'm probably going to do something with that. So, hope you enjoyed the birds. they got pretty big. I was not disappointed. Pretty happy about the power packs. So you have a go.